You think you the best? Come on, bro. I don't
I'm only
believe that.
14, man. I'm 14.
You're not 14, dog.
14, 6 foot
You're
4,
not
man.
14.
14, 6 foot 4.
You're not 14.
I'm 15.
Hold on. TikTok.
TikTok boys.
Does this kid look 15 to you?
I'm 15, boys. 6 foot 4.
He's not 15.
Swear to God, I got my ID and everything.
You not 15.
ID. He's 15.
How old are you?
He's 15. How popular is?
How old are you?
16. 14.
You look older than all of them.
Do I?
Yeah.
15, man.
You a big ass kid.
We should get a video of me dunking on you on the
You cannot
channel.
dunk.
Yeah, I can, boy.
Bro, I'll give you.
1v1.
We'll give,
You guys got
we'll give him one shot, yeah? One shot.
Go.
We got David here, Cambry Bankstown, Roselands.
Yeah.
He's the best in the area, apparently.
Best in the area right
Wait,
here.
I'm gonna give him one shot.
Best in the area right here.
Go for it, buddy.
Talk for you, boy.
We got this.
Best in the area.
Oh shit, the backboard. That's it.
Now,
Look at that.
Ah, your turn now.
My turn.
You going on TikTok?
Yeah, watch it.
What's your TikTok name? I need to know.
He wants my turn.